Fourth voicings, minor Dorian kind of sound like C minor. These voicings based on fourths.
OMG, I can't believe I've gone all this time without really studying this. Well, that was Peter Martin there. I was just watching some of his great videos. If you're not subscribed to him, he's a good resource for sure. There it is. You know, it's the so what voicing. We're in C minor here. I'm going to do this really slowly, and then I'm going to go practice it. So you've got the first one. A lot of force with the G on top. They call that the so what chord. And then you just move that up exactly for another so what chord. Then this one, right? All fourths there with the minor third on the bottom. That's a minor 6/9 chord. So really slowly. And then back where you started. All right, and you know, don't look at my technique here because I'm just trying to show you the notes, but so there it is. I think I'll start with just the first 3 chords and take that around the cycle, practice it in all keys, and hopefully I'll learn a little something today, and be a good thing if you don't know this to practice it as well. Now, thanks for your comments and for subscribing, and have a wonderful day.